Hi, everybody. How are you? My name is Steve Sanchez. I'm the Director of Sales and National Alliance Director for DynTek Services. I manage our Microsoft practice nationally. Want to take a few minutes of your time today and talk about the Security in a Day event that we have coming up and what that's going to be. We're going to cover the Office 365 and Enterprise Mobility and Security suite capabilities around security and how that impacts your cloud environment and what you can take advantage of to increase your security posture. So we're going to talk about identity and access management, threat protection, information protection, and security management. And most importantly, we're going to dive deep into the technology capabilities of those products you see listed across the bottom of the screen. We're going to look at each one of these products in depth. We're going to provide you with hands-on lab access to each one of these environments. So we're going to encourage you to bring your laptops with you. We're going to encourage you to make sure that you're fully capable of understanding the tenant rights and capabilities of that environment when you show up. It's a great event if you're looking to understand how to increase the security posture of your environment, of your cloud environment in Office 365, Enterprise Mobility and Security, and Azure. We're also going to cover the secure score capabilities that exist today in Office 365. This is becoming a very popular and very powerful way for customers to start looking at how they increase their security posture in the cloud and what simplifies the way in which they go about organizing that structure and how they can look at what that security posture is and what they can do to impact it and increase it. We're also going to give you a brief overview that customers find really valuable of what's included in the licensing and where these products are within the licensing in the Microsoft 365 E3 as well as the E5 suite solution. So we're going to be able to give you a really good understanding as to where do these products sit, where can you buy them, what is the a la carte version of these products. Really good for you to understand where the products are in each one of the different suites so that you know what you can take advantage of. Lots of customers finding they own products that they don't have implemented and aren't really seeing the value of. So this gives them the capability of really understanding, do I own this and can I deploy this and is it going to help me increase my security posture? We are going to, again, be giving you a hands-on lab throughout the day. So that hands-on lab is very impactful and very important to your day that you actually bring that laptop with you so that we can give you that access. We're going to give you a persona inside of a live environment where you're going to be able to go in and you're going to configure all of these capabilities yourself. You're going to leave with that access as well as for a limited time afterwards. We're going to give you the capability of going into that live demo so that when you go back, you can continue to look at it, perhaps show it to the other coworkers in your environment and figure out how potentially these things might be able to help you increase your security posture and as well as take advantage of the ROI around products that you may already have and you may already own in your environment that you can deploy to increase that security posture for you. We're going to give you hands-on labs including conditional access, mobile device and application protection, which is the Intune suite, advanced threat protection, all around safe links and secure attachments, and how do we deal with anti-phishing, the Azure information protection solution, and protecting information and be able to provide that protection around all of the documentation and information that lives inside of your cloud environment, cloud app security, the CASB solution, both the basic level as well as the enhanced level in the Enterprise Mobility and Security Suite. We're going to give you access to and information around data loss prevention, how to create templates around data loss prevention, what that looks like, and what the impacts of those templates are in your environment. We're going to talk about Azure Identity Protection. We're going to talk about threat intelligence and threat analytics, the log analytics and OMS suite. And then finally, again, we are going to go through the secure score capabilities for you. So take a look here. You'll see that we have a fully packed agenda for the day. Make no mistake about this. This is absolutely feeding from a fire hose when it comes to the capabilities of the security suite. There's a lot to cover. We are going to cover a lot of stuff in one day, and we're going to dig pretty deep into each one of these products and give you, again, the capability of being able to dig into those products in your environment, in a lab environment that you're going to be able to walk away with. So make sure you bring your laptops with you. It's very important that you have them with you to get the most out of